What is up, fam? Host message finds you all well and good spirits. Well, we have a fun video today. We have a great video. We are going Shelby Gt350 shopping. That's right. And you're wondering, what is the plan with that? Well, if you're a real one, stay to the end of the video. We're going to talk about it. And I have a mystery question, so I know you watched the whole video. How much did the Track Pack GT500 cost? Comment down below so I know you watched it. And don't just cheat. You can add some other things in the video you saw as well. But what do we have behind us? It's happening, guys. The giveaway has ended, but the winner show is upon us. Saturday is our plan. We don't know the exact time. Sign up for text alerts via the link below or pinned in the comment description. That's right. We are the first ever YouTube channel that's giving away a car live. We're doing a live stream. We're going to announce the winner. I'm so excited. It's going to be crazy. Whew. It's happening. But anyways, let's have some fun. Let's do a cold start on one of your cars. Anyways, let's get into the video. We're so excited. Watch to the end. Cold start time. But my friend Gary here, we're switching keys, bro.
What?
What? He's never driven a GT500, but he's had a Hellcat. He's had Corvettes.
When's the last time you drove a Mustang?
Never. Well, I got a 6-cylinder here.
Oh, that qualifies. I had an EcoBoost, so he's gonna give me the keys to his Z06. We're gonna go check out some cars today, some secret cars. You'll see soon. I'm gonna drive the Z06. I haven't driven a GTR. Maybe we'll do that next video.
Nope.
But we'll do Z06 GT500 owner swap keys.
All right.
he was like, yeah, you could drive my car. I'm taking the Z06. My first time driving a Z06. Curious Z06er. Huh. I'm driving the Hulk. Very nice. Oh, it's got all the options. Tilt, telescopic steering. All right, turn the parking brake off. Mustang guy, the Z06. Oh, this is comfortable. This is a stock Z06. So, very nice to drive. We are headed to look at Mustangs. That's right, guys. We're actually shopping for a Shelby Gt350. So I'm excited. It looks good. It's cool to watch your car from behind. It's a fast girl, isn't it? Oh! All right, so far we've been driving the Z06. Of course, it's the stock example. That is the good old Hulk in front of me. That is a stock example. This is a stock example, and it feels very relaxing to drive. It's very comfortable. I like the sight lines. I feel very relaxed, but there's also 650 horsepower under my foot. Very easy car to drive, and which also makes me confused why they couldn't offer a stick in the C8 or the GT500 for that matter. We just turned on rev matching, so now the party can get started a little bit. I like that better. The rev match is where it's at. When he texted me that, I was like, all right, now we're talking. Because I was like, it's kind of like really mundane. And then all of a sudden, I was like, woo! Oh, no. It's, you do. You got to push a little bit. They're kind of really docile at low speeds. But It looks good. Looks good. I'll let you guys lead the way. I don't have navigation. I mean, you have it, but I don't have it on. That was a blast. That was a blast. Z06 Mobility, dude. This is fun. No, it was fun.
Similar pool to the Hellcat.
Yeah.
Just a little bit.
Just a little bit deeper. Yep. So.
That's
Yeah.
my favorite color.
On a 350? $66 thou, bro. That's why you want to get a used one. We're trying to buy a 350, and we're taking one for a test drive today and see what you guys got.
We have this one, and we have a GT500 in there.
You have a 500. Then here we are. Thank you, sir. Oh, look at this.
Often put a small wing on.
Painted on stripes. And carbon fiber wing, carbon fiber. It's going for $125,000. The track pack again is going for $125,000. GT500 track pack. It's like we've done that before.
Almost.
Just a few times. So. Looks familiar. I think black hides a lot of lines though.
Hides the lines.
But it looks sinister.
But when it's clean, it's so rewarding. I don't know.
Black is one of those funny colors.
I like how low key it looks. I don't know.
Yeah.
I mean, I'm weird.
So now we're looking at a 350R, guys. This right here. Yeah, that's the spec. That's the spec. Take your time, yeah. Yep. Yep, I'll take the key. Thank you. All right. This is 78,000. Dude, this is nice. This is nice. I love the matte black with the red stripe. Look at this. Holy cow. This feels more special than the 500 when you sit in it, dude. It's got the red. It's got the carbon and the red stitching and everything. The seats feel great. Yeah. Dude, this is nice. If I was gonna get a 350R, I think this is a spec to get right here. Yeah, it's got 12 miles on it. 12 miles. No, I'm not gonna. I don't even want to take this one out. Yeah, I don't want to take this one out, but jeez. You gonna sit in it? Scared? You're gonna like, I need to write a check.
Like I'm cheating on my car.
No. Yeah, we won't tell the GTR.
Oh my god, you fall into it.
Yeah, yep.
Alright, I'm short. I gotta go up a little bit.
Let's see his reaction.
Press the mode button on the wheel. Press it up. And keep going until you hit track. Arguably one of the best sounding cars.
Yeah. Yep. 350 is coming. Let's start this up. Smells new in here. Oh, good. It's my spec. It has the fat guy seats and carbon fiber. I like this spec too. It's got like the nice seats. Feeling it.
Yeah, nice seats.
It's got the nice seats up in here.
Carbon dash.
Carbon dash. Let's start it up. It has, I believe, 4 miles on it. So, I mean, this is fresh. New. See, heated, cool seats.
Oh, these seats are nice.
This is the fat guy version.
Cool seats.
Cool seats and all that. I tell you what, I'm not gonna drive these cars, and I tell you why. They have 4 miles on them. Someone's gonna want to buy these, and I don't want to just. I'm not gonna drive your car, so I'm just gonna talk about it.
200 miles.
Yeah. If it had like 1,000 miles on it, I'd do my jam with it, but I'm gonna let someone enjoy this car. 4 miles on it. So I'd feel wrong, but this is a comfortable seat. We're out here with Tim Sheridan. If you don't remember, he helped me get the Hulk. So we're back, and we're trying to get a 350 from you, sir. So we're working on it. He let us see his the 350, 350R, one of the only track pack 500s in the area I've seen. So if you want it, come get it, Sheridan Ford. But I have a certain spec in mind that Tim's working out for me for a 350. So we're gonna be back to get our first GT350 on the channel. So I'm excited and look forward to working with you again. How you been holding up through all this?
Good.
Yeah, I've been doing well. So
Be smart with everything. Be safe.
yeah, that track pack 500 is for sale, or someone spoke for it? Okay, that is for sale. This is my spot to buy my Mustang. So we're gonna come back This is a gorgeous spec. Did you pick the spec out?
Yeah.
I love this. This is the beer belly spec. I like it because it doesn't have the track pack seats.
I always get them with those.
Yeah, I love it. Heated, cool seats, and it has like a nice, almost like cloth velour feeling in the middle.
And actually, we had another one right here that was the same spec as your car in a 350.
Get out!
Yeah,
All right.
sold last. They were identical except the orange and the green.
Yeah, no, it's really nice. Well, we're gonna walk around this car. Thanks again to Tim at Sheridan Ford. I'll be back. You call me, you know what we're gonna do. So we appreciate it, and let's get some good times with this. I wouldn't mind an orange one, by the way. Orange is pretty good, but this is it, guys. Decided not to drive someone's future 350. It only has 4 miles on it, but really like this color. All right. So we're gonna come back. We told Tim Sheridan of Sheridan Ford what we want as far as the 350 is concerned. So he's gonna work on it for us, and we'll be back soon to collect a Shelby GT350. Super excited. Flat plane crank, 526 horsepower, 6-speed. You know it. Let's do it. So you stayed in the video. Thank you so much. Well. As you know, we did well in the giveaway, and we wanted to not just stop there. We want to keep these awesome opportunities going. So instead of me splurging and going on vacation, I said, let's reinvest into this process. So we are looking for a Shelby GT350 that will, probably not new, but still has a factory warranty. So has a factory warranty, is still stock. We got to find that one that fits the bill. So yes, the next giveaway is not live yet, not happening, but we're looking for a Shelby GT350 to go along with the new Edge. That's right, because what we recognize is so many of you entered, and we're so excited about this, that it's gonna be kind of sad that only one person gets to get this. So the idea is we're gonna find a Shelby GT350, an awesome one, that's an awesome spec, have fun with it. I've always wanted a 350, never got a chance to get one, because when They came out, they were like upmarked, and I couldn't afford one. But we're gonna bring one to the channel, we're gonna have some fun, and then eventually we're gonna have an opportunity for someone to grab that themselves. So the next giveaway, stay tuned, we're gonna have a 350 and a runner-up prize and a new edge. So big things happening. Stay tuned. We gotta keep moving, keep progressing, keep reinvesting, building the channel, building the site. Big things coming. As you know, Casper's building us their own setup, their own garage. So we have so many fun things happening. Stay tuned. We have a big winners live stream show coming. Remember, sign up for text or email alerts so you guys know and stay up to date on secret merch, release of the giveaway, and when we do the live stream. All right? Appreciate your support. It never ends. Peace.